In this video, we're going to be creating a mashup about stems on Rekordbox, the new stems feature that was released after Serato was acquired by Pioneer DJ, which is pretty cool. Let's say we have deck 1 instrumental and the other deck being the vocals. So we're going to create a mashup together. And so using the stems feature, we're going to be cutting the vocals on deck 1, and on deck 2, the drums and the instrumentals should be cut out. Just a simple click using the stems feature. However, we have to adjust our EQs to avoid clashing. So boost mids on deck 2 to enhance the vocals. And on deck 1, we're going to reduce the mids to avoid clashing with the vocals and hitting the red zones, because you don't want to hit the red zones, otherwise it will. These are the 2 tracks we are going to be mixing. Tiesto remix of Disconnect by Becky, the instrumental, and the vocals of the TikTok hit Oliver Tree and Robin Schulz, Miss You. Sounds awesome! Wait a minute. Don't forget the Camelot wheel. We have to mix both songs in key. While retaining the same key for deck A, deck B, we have to pitch it up. Pitch up the vocals to match the key. Let's say A minor and E minor, according to the Camelot wheel, they blend together. Let's give it a try. To all beginner DJs, wait a minute, advanced or intermediate, whatever, we're just brand new, so we're going to be posting more content that will help you transform yourself. Be sure to follow us and like, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel.